My dear friend, there are moments in life when you feel completely stuck. You find yourself standing between choices, unsure of what to do. No option feels completely right, and no path feels completely wrong. The more you think, the more confused you become. These are the moments that quietly shape your life. In the Bhagavad Gita, there is a powerful scene before the great battle of Kurukshetra. Arjuna stands on the battlefield, overwhelmed and uncertain. He sees his own people on both sides and feels unable to act. His hands tremble, his mind is clouded, and he questions everything. This battlefield is not just a place from history, it represents something much deeper. It represents your inner conflict. Just like Arjuna, you also face your own Kurukshetra in life, not with weapons, but with decisions. Decisions about your career, your relationships, your values, and your future. Often, the real struggle is not between right and wrong, but between what is easy and what is right. Krishna, in his guidance, does not remove the difficulty of the situation. He does not change the battlefield. Instead, he changes Arjuna's understanding. He reminds him of his duty, his purpose, and the importance of acting with clarity rather than fear. This teaches us something very important. Difficult decisions cannot always be avoided. They must be faced with awareness. When you are confused, your mind tries to escape. It looks for the easiest option, the safest path, or sometimes no decision at all. But avoidance does not bring peace, it only delays it. Clarity does not come from overthinking endlessly. It comes from understanding what truly matters. Ask yourself, what aligns with my values and which choice will I respect in the long run? The answer may not feel comfortable. In fact, it often won't. Right decisions can be difficult. They may require courage, honesty, and letting go of something familiar, but they bring inner stability. Another important lesson from the Gita is detachment from outcomes. You cannot predict every consequence of your decision. You cannot control how everything will unfold, but you can choose your intention. When your intention is clear and your action is sincere, you begin to feel lighter because you are no longer trapped in what if. You are grounded in what is right. It is also okay to feel afraid. Arjuna was not fearless. He was confused, emotional, and hesitant. But what mattered was that he did not run away from the battlefield. He stayed, he listened, and he acted. That is courage. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is choosing to move forward despite it. So when you find yourself in a difficult situation, do not rush to escape it. Pause, reflect, understand. This is your moment of growth. Your inner Kurukshetra is not here to break you. It is here to reveal your strength, your values, and your true direction. Trust yourself enough to face it. Remember, no decision will ever be completely perfect, but an honest decision taken with awareness will always lead you forward. Even if the path is not easy, it will be meaningful. So stand firm in your moment of confusion. Listen within, act with clarity, because on the other side of difficult decisions, a stronger version of you is waiting. Radhe Radhe.